Alarm on the dresser, Monday in the frame. I rose with the weight of that Friday shame. Same old hallway, same chip paint, but I told my chest we don't move in that state. Coffee in the paper cup, eyes still low. Still got the weekend, trying not to let go. Bills on the counter, shoes by the door. I can feel old feelings asking for more. But I breathe, count slow, let it out, let it go. One clean slate, one new plan. Get my mind back in my hands. Monday ain't Friday. Leave last week behind. Monday ain't Friday. Oh, clear it out my mind. New day, new timing. New chance, new line. Monday ain't Friday. Oh, leave last week behind. Hard, yeah. Hard hat trading on my tongue, that's the rule. Every scar got a lesson, every loss a tool. I don't bring the heat from the last bad trade. In the fresh blue ink on the brand new page. If the numbers went red, I don't panic or fold. I study the board, keep my hands self-control. Discipline talks when the feeling gets loud. I don't chase a ghost, I move with the crowd. I breathe, count slow, let it out, let it go. One clean slate, one new plan. Get my mind back in my hands. Monday ain't Friday. Leave last week behind. Monday ain't Friday. Oh, clear it out my mind. New day, new timing. New chance, new line. Monday ain't Friday. Oh, leave last week behind. If I carry that weight, I walk slow all week. So I set it down quiet, then I get back to me. The page turns sharp and the future stays near. New doors open up when the mind gets clear. Monday ain't Friday. Leave last week behind. Monday ain't Friday. Oh, clear it out my mind. New day, new timing. New chance, new line. Monday ain't Friday. Oh, leave last week behind. Yeah. Yeah, yeah. Oh, 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 yeah. Sunday morning, kettle on slow. Blank page open, let the whole thing show. I write the names, I write the plays. I mark the patience I can use for days. Phone face down, I clear the noise. Same hard hat mind, same steady choice. Levels in red, levels in blue. I see the line, then I wade it through. Not chasing heat, not buying stress. I make my room for what comes next. Clean desk, clean head, clean pair of hands. I build the plan before the week begins. If it gaps up, I already know. If it fades out, I let it go. I don't need luck, I need the frame. A calm first move can change the game. Plan a week before the market speaks. Plan the week before the market speaks. Mark the zone, then let the noise pass by. Stay in line, keep that hard hat mind. Monday shape was born on Sunday. I don't run blind into a rough day. I know my risk, I know my size. I know the place where the false break lies. Tape on the chart, notes in the book. One more scan, one more look. If the setup's thin, I step aside. If it's clean enough, I take my time. Pay no mind to the crowd chase. I move with purpose, not with hate. Small edge, stacked over and over. That's how a quiet week gets bolder. If it opens happens wild, I stay still. If it comes back, I trust the drill. I don't need more, I need it right. One good processor runs the night. Plan a week, hey, before the market speaks. For the market speaks, oh, plan the week, before the market speaks. For the market speaks, mark the zone, and let the noise pass by. Stay in line, keep that hard hat mind. Yeah, I've seen a rush turn into regret, seen good ideas get no respect. So I lay it out, then I let it breathe. Preparation is the way I leave. No last minute prayer, no panic. Hand in a measured groove. When the open comes, I'm already there. Calm in my chest, clearing my step. Plan a week, before the market speaks. Plan a week, plan a week, before the market speaks. Plan a week, before the market speaks, yeah. Mark the zone, then let the noise pass by. Stay in line, keep that hard hat mind. Plan a week, before the market speaks. Plan a week, plan a week, plan the week, plan the week, plan the week, before the market speaks. Stay prepared, and the week can't shake you. Draw it clean, then let discipline make you. Alarm cuts through the room, I swing my feet to the floor. Same gray mug, same cold water, I'm already thinking more. Blank pad on the table, open charts, let it breathe. Mark the highs, mark the lows, patience is the way I lead. I don't chase every candle, I don't flinch at the red. Hard hat on my mindset, keep the roof over my head. One clean move at a time, no rush, no race, no noise. I got a week to build it, I got a plan, not just a voice. I slow it down, take my time, read the room and read the line. Clear the fog, set the frame. Monday morning I name the game. New week, clear mind. Now I'm back in the zone. New week, clear mind. I don't move too fast, I grow. New week, clear mind. I'm built for the long run. New week, clear mind. Now I'm back in the zone. By 8 I'm at the desk, coffee, cool notes laid out, levels drawn in the margins. I know what I'm about. If the plan needs a fix, then I cut the extra weight. If the window opens narrow, I'm prepared, I don't wait. I learn calm beats panic when the room gets loud. I'd rather be early and ready than be lucky and proud. Hard hat, trading mindset, protect the head, protect the back. No wild hands, no loose bets, just the discipline in the pad. I've seen hot days fade out, I've seen slow steps pay. So I reset, I refocus, then I let the work stay. I slow it down, take my time, read the room, then read the line. Clear the fog, set the frame. Monday morning I name the game. New week, clear mind. Now I'm back in the zone. New week, clear mind. I don't move too fast, I grow. New week, clear mind. I'm built for the long run. New week, clear mind. Now I'm back in the zone. then I'd end up chasing shadows. Now I start with a breath and let the first step handle the battle. No need to force the morning, let the structure do the work. When the mind is steady, even quiet moves can hurt. New week, clear mind. Now I'm back in the zone. New week, clear mind. I don't move too fast, I grow. New week, clear mind. I'm built for the long run. New week, clear mind. Now I'm back in the zone. Yeah. Yeah. Monday came in slow. I let the screen breathe. No chasing the first out. I just watch what it sees. Coffee still hot, but my hands stay still. One bad rush on open can't wreck a whole deal. I mark my levels clean and I step back hard. No hero move, no flex, no scars. Let the noise talk loud, I keep my face blank. Hard hat on the mind, I protect the bank. If it's not clear, I'll wait. That's the rule I learned. The first move gets cute and the whole thing turns. I don't force a lane, I don't beg for sign. I let the market speak when it's ready to align. No rush Monday, let the market come to me. No rush Monday, I don't need to force a key. No rush Monday, I let the market come to me. No rush Monday, and I move when I see first trade temptation. That's the trap at dawn. Yeah, pretty setup blinking, but the heart says on. I seen the fake out high, I seen the clean move fail. So I wait for proof before I set the rail. Draw the planet ink, not in hope and pride. If the chart says go, then I'm locked inside. If it drifts, I sit, let the weak ones fold. Patience pays the rent when your patience got hold. If it's not clear, I'll wait, that's the rule I learned. The first move gets cute, then the whole thing turns. I don't force a lane, I don't beg for shine. I let the market speak when it's ready to align. No rush Monday, let the market come to me. No rush Monday, I don't need to force a key. No rush Monday, I let the market come to me. No rush Monday, then I move when I see. Hands off the noise, let it build its shape. Controlling the pause, that's how winners wait. One clean entry when the story turns. Hard hat trading, that's the lesson learned. No rush Monday, no, let the market come to me. No rush Monday, I don't need to force a key. No rush Monday, I let the market come to me. No rush Monday, then I move Yeah. I came in hungry, thought I knew the game. First month up big, then I fed the flame. One bad trade, then I chased it back. So my screen turned red and my chest went black. I was swinging mad, trying to force a win. Clicking like my ego lived inside that trim. But the market don't care about my pride, my plan. It'll take your lunch money with a clean right hand. So I wrote it down. Lose small, stay calm. Let the stock do work, let the chaos fall. If it ain't my setup, I don't touch that chart. I ain't here to be brave, I am here to last. I had to learn the hard way, a cut is a cost. The bad night gets loud and the whole week's lost. So I breathe, sit still, let the urge pass through. If I break my rules, I break me too. Elite losers survive, gamblers blow accounts. Elite losers survive. When the pressure comes down, small red days, that's the rent I pay. Keep my head, keep my trade. Elite losers survive. Gamblers blow account. Now I take my loss like a pro takes notes. No drama in the moment, just a line and close. I don't double up to protect my name. I don't fight the tape just to feel no shame. If the entry's trash, I leave it alone. If the spread gets wild, I go back home. Because one forced trade can wreck a month, and one calm exit can save the hunt. I seen guys turn winning into pure disaster. Trying to get it back, they got pulled in faster. The market loves ego, hates control. So I trade my rules like they're made of gold. I had to learn the hard way, a cut is a...
All right. We are indeed back up in this beautiful Monday morning. Last week was a good week. We'll make this one just like the last. I was watching this gold trade and I missed it. I was looking for some pullback, but we didn't get it. And now this whole play is playing out. We had some beautiful pullback right into this 46.75 area. I'm mad that I missed it. I was looking for a re-entry, but not even a re-entry, an entry. I just couldn't get it. So this ship has sailed. Now, as far as the NASDAQ and the ES goes, I'm looking at a couple of things. I'm looking for some pullback because pullback longs is the way to go. Looking to see if we can get some pullback to possibly the 28,980s on the NASDAQ. That would be my play of the day. Further back than that, I'd be looking to see if we get an entry around the 28,815s. This trade might look nice as well. Market opens in 3 seconds. Let's see what it has to offer. If it's going to shoot straight up or if it's going to pull back. Looks like my computer can't handle all of that. Alright, looks like it's trying to push up right along with the ES. Alright, pushed up to VWAP, to the upper band of VWAP. Now look like it's heading for new highs. Okay, going for new highs. Might be pulling back now. I'm currently trading my Apex PA account. I'm up 34.24 on it. And I'm getting a little bit of lag. Let me close a couple of things. Okay, looking for new all-time highs. New all-time highs. The ES is looking for new highs. We were trading in this range right here, and now we just broke out of it. We were trading in this zone, and now we just broke out. So now the question is, can we get some pullback back to these pre-market highs, and then will that hold? But this market has just been strong. All right, let's go to the 2-minute chart now. Starting to get a little pullback. Not much. Not enough. Man, this has been one hell of a market, huh? Playing the open is definitely lucrative. taking longs at the open is definitely lucrative. But I just can't seem to pull myself to do it. Let's see if we can get a bounce here at the 87s. Now it looks like we're getting a little bit of rejection. Getting some more pullback now. All right, look again, a little bit more of a rejection. All right, pulling back more. All right, now it's pushing up a little bit. Okay, we're starting to get more of a push up. Looking good to the upside. Look like it might want to push up now. Okay, might want to break out now. It's looking good. We should get more of a pop. Okay, getting a little pullback. Alright, there goes the push. Look like it wants to push to new highs. Let's see if we could break this area. $9.40, market been open 10 minutes. So right now we're still trading inside of the orb. That's the orb right there. We're sitting right above VWAP. Let's see if we could break out. Okay, we're still trading in this range. Let's see if we could break out of this range. Right now we're trading right in it. Maybe get a pullback. Before it breaks out. But then I'll be trading dead in the middle of the range, and I wouldn't want that. It's either we're going to break the range to the upside or break the range to the downside in order for me to look for a trade. But attempting to take the trade in the middle of the range doesn't look healthy. And while we wait on that, let me just take a look at this gold trade. Oh man, this gold trade is just breaking out. Really missed that trade. Okay, they're trying to break out here. Okay, it's trying to break out. Okay, rejecting. Look like it's rejecting, trying to break out, but it's kind of rejecting. All right, starting to go. Let's see if we can get more. Okay, starting to go. Looking for new highs. It's looking like it wants to break to new highs. Okay. Look like it wants to break to new highs. Just needs to go a little bit more. And pulling back. The ES made new highs. The NASDAQ hasn't made new highs yet. Alright, the NASDAQ is rejecting a little bit. ES is making new highs. The NASDAQ is fighting. It wants it, but it's fighting. Alright, it's starting to go now. It's trying to go. Maybe this is it here. New highs. Oh man, this is struggling. Like it just needs to go. The ES is going. So now the NASDAQ just needs to follow. Go ahead. It's trying to make it. Okay, there it goes. Looking for new highs. And pulling back again. Now the ES is pulling back a little bit. Okay, 949. Let's take a look at the orb now. It should still be sitting in the orb. Yeah, it hasn't broken out of the orb. Still sitting in. Let's look at the 2-minute chart. Pulling back a little bit now. The ES is pulling back a little bit as well. Let's see if the NASDAQ can get out of this 15-minute range. As of right now, it's pulling back. It couldn't make new highs. Now pulling back towards VWAP. Okay, now it's pushing. Let's see if this push can do it. Okay, pushing. Let's see if this push can do it. Rejecting, pulling back to VWAP. Alright, it pulled back. Let's see what happens at VWAP, and now it's in the middle of the range. I haven't taken a trade yet, just waiting to see for it to break out of this yellow range. Right now it's pulling back, couldn't make new highs. Just being patient. ES proved to have made the best trade for the morning with this nice push up. Maybe we need some pullback on the NASDAQ before we can push up. Maybe the NASDAQ needs to push back to VWAP actually, because it hasn't touched VWAP yet. Okay, now it's hit VWAP. Okay, now it's breaking below. Alright, it's trying to hold the support here. Let's see if it could get it. Or does it need to break down further? Okay, it looks like it needs to break down further. And now we're getting some pullback from the ES as well. Okay, again, a little bit more pullback now. This might be where the buyers are going to step up. Or we're going to get more pullback. Looks like buyers are trying to step up here. Let's see if they can hold us up. I just took a long on my personal account for a cheap trade. It looked like this might be a good support level. My stop is right below this wick. Right here. I'm currently not holding. It looked like it's rejecting that VWAP, but it's just a cheap trade. I wanted to see if this area is going to hold. Not holding. Okay, starting to get some more weakness. I don't know. Might want to reject a little bit more before taking. Might want to pull back to my to the area that I was looking at for an entry. Pulling back some more. I mean, it's not selling off, so there's a good chance that I just got wicked out. So let's see. But it's not above VWAP yet either. This has to get above VWAP. If you get above VWAP, I might consider taking that long again. All right, it's not really holding. It's trying to hold, but I really don't see the buyers really stepping up. It looks like more sellers are stepping up. Yeah, the sellers are stepping up. Getting more downside on the NASDAQ. ES is holding up nice right here though. NASDAQ is coming into the bottom of this range. This is one of those mornings we just have to wait for the best setup. There's no good setup here right now. I was looking to see if this high right here can hold, but we didn't get it. Okay, now it looks like it's trying to hold. Look like buyers are trying to step up now. Alright, starting to get a push up now in the NASDAQ. It's sitting above VWAP, which is good. Okay, getting a little pullback. Okay, let's see if it can hold above VWAP. Holding up nice as of now. Let's see if we can get to new highs. Okay, pushing up. All right, pushing up nice. Looking good now. Let's see if we can just get a push to new highs. Okay, kind of rejecting now. All right, pretty slow morning. Just kind of waiting for a good setup. Still trading in a 15-minute zone. Let's play some music while we wait.
And watch the charts for one. No rush moves, I let the candles breathe. First I require, let the weekends lead. Notebook chase noise, I let the plan engage. Pre-market chatter, but I keep it small. Hard hat on, I'm not here to brawl. I seen the trap of a fast first swing. Try to make 10 lose the whole damn thing. Patience pays when the room is raw. I wait for the break, I wait for the law. First trade of the week, gotta start it right. Oh, first trade of the week, keep it clean, keep it tight. First trade of the week, I don't force that fight. Oh, first trade of the week, gotta start it right. Start it right. Open the zone, but the market move weird. One false push up and the whole thing veered. I watch the pullback, kiss the line I drew. Then the volume swell like the setup new. No extra clicks, no ego at the door. One good entry, not a dozen more. Took the small win, let the rest of it go. Better one calm trade than a chaotic show. If it's not there, then I stand still. I don't bend the rules to feed the thrill. Early Monday, I respect the pace. Let the odds line up, let the candle place. Hey, first trade of the week. Gotta start it right. First trade of the week. Keep it clean, keep it tight. First trade. First trade of the week. I don't force that fight. First trade of the week. I gotta start it right. Seen guys double down by 9:15. Turn a quiet morning into a bad scene. I'd rather miss one than make a mess. Protect the account, that's a real success. Hard hat mine, I move with care. No revenge clicks, no panic there. First trade of the week. Gotta start it right.
First trade of the week.
Keep it clean, keep it tight. First trade of the week. I don't force that fight. First trade of the week. Gotta start it right. One trade, one plan. Let the week unfold. Calm hands win when the room feels cold. Just the setup, the patience speak. First clean trade zone for the week. Sunday night, I lay it out. Clean desk, clear head, no extra doubt. Phone on quiet, lights down low. I mark the page before the morning glow. Coffee cold, but my plan's still hot. 5 years in, I know what I got. Charts on screen like a paper map. I don't chase noise, I double back. Patience in my chest. I move with the fast. One step, then the next. No rush, no lag. New week, clear mind. Now I'm back in the zone. New week, clear mind. I'm calm, I'm locked in, I'm home. New week, clear mind. I let the wild stuff go. New week, clear mind. Now I'm back in the zone. Monday, open, I read the room. First red candle, I don't make no move. I wait for the level.
Alright, let's see if we could break that trend line.
Thinking I protect the rest. I tag the highs and I tag the lows. I know my risk and I know my code. Small size first, let the work unfold. Slow hands when the pressure rolls. Patience in my chest. I move with the fast. One step, then the next.
And there goes the pullback.
No lag. New week, clear mind. Now I'm back in the zone. New week, clear mind. I'm calm, I'm locked in, I'm home. New week, clear mind. I let the wild stuff go. New week, clear mind. Now I'm back in the zone. If the room gets loud, I breathe slow. If the plan shifts, I still know. Clarity first, then I choose. I don't force it, I don't lose. Hard hat on, mind steady. hands clean, feet ready. New week, clear mind. Now I'm back in the zone. New week, clear mind. I'm home, I'm locked in, I'm home. New week, clear mind. I let the wild stuff go. New week, clear mind. Now I'm back in.
All right, I'm looking at the 15-minute candle. The 15-minute looks good. The 15-minute is looking bullish. Let's look at the hourly. Yeah, the hourly just shows us it just needs to break this range. And the 4 hour is very bullish. All right, I'm gonna take a long.
Eyes on the score. Thought I could bend the market, kick in the door. Every green candle felt like my name. Every red tick felt like somebody to blame. I used to chase it, click too fast. Turn one clean plan into a pain-built mess. One bad field and I double down. Try to claw
I'm gonna
it
take
back,
one
end up
contract.
face down. Have to learn
I'm liking this. This is looking like a nice bull flag.
be right and still get paid. You can be wrong and still stay
I'll keep my stop right below this candle here.
time. So I wrote it down. Every rule, hard hat on. Don't act a fool. Small red days, that's part of the cause. Take the hit, don't let it get lost. To lead losers survive. Gamblers blow accounts. To lead losers survive. Keep the damage down. To lead losers survive. Respect that line. To lead losers survive. Long game, long time. Long game. Yeah. Now I size small, let the math breathe. I don't need fireworks to feed my week. If the setup's dead, I step away. No ego tax when I close my day. I learn to stop loss. Is a friend, not shame. It's a seatbelt, not a
Let's see if we
sign
can
of
break
blame.
out of this orb now.
Exit beats 3 ugly prayers. One calm mind beats 100 stairs. If I take a loss, I own that slice. No story, no rage, no second dice. I can sit with the bruise and still stay sharp. That's how you build when the truth gets hard. Clean hands, clear head. Sleep at night, stay fed. I don't trade pain, I don't trade pride. Only losers survive. Gamblers blow accounts. Only losers survive. Keep the damage down. Only losers survive. Respect that line. Only losers survive. Long game, long time. I used to think pressure meant prove yourself. Now I know pressure can bury your health. The market loves the loud and eats them slow. I'd rather be boring and let it grow. No hero trades, no revenge in my veins. No get it back while I'm leaking change. I can be down and still be on track. That's hard hat living and I don't know that. Losers survive. Gamblers blow accounts. Elite losers survive.
All right, the ES is looking good. We have some new highs on the ES, so it looks like we should get a push up on the Nasdaq as well. So far, so good.
Long time. I'm accountable, I'm controlled. I can lose small and still hold. Losers survive. Hey, that's the code. Losers
Looking for a push up at least to retest these highs. Get out of this orb.
long road.
Let's get out of this orb. Okay, looking good. Looking real good so far. I'm liking it. Let's get some more. Don't pull back, just go.
Came in hungry, eyes on the score. Thought I could bend the market, kick in the door. Every green candle felt like my name.
If you bring it back here, I'll add a contract.
Click too fast, turn one clean plan into a pain-built mess. One bad field and I double down. Try to claw it back, end up face down. Had to learn fast, this game don't care. You can be right and still get paid. You can be wrong and still stay alive. If you cut it quick, you can buy more time. So I wrote it down, every rule. Hard hat on, don't act a fool. Small red days, that's part of the cause. Take the hit, don't let it get lost. Elite losers survive. Gamblers blow accounts.
Let's see if you're gonna add me a contract.
Keep the damage down. Elite losers survive. Respect that line. Elite losers survive. Long game, long time. Now, outside small, let the math breathe. I don't need fireworks to feed my week. If the setup's dead, I step away. No ego tax when I close my day. I learned to stop loss is a friend, not shame. It's a seatbelt, not a sign to blame. One clean exit beats 3 ugly prayers. One calm mind beats 100 stairs. If I take a loss, I own that slice. No story, no rage, no second dice. I can sit with the bruise and still stay sharp. That's how you build when the truth gets hard. Clean hands, clear head, sleep at night, stay fed. I don't trade pain, I don't trade pride. Elite losers survive. Gamblers blow accounts. Elite losers survive. Keep the damage down. Elite losers survive. Respect that line.
Alright, didn't fill me, but it just wants to continue now.
Long game, long time. I used to think pressure meant prove yourself.
Alright, so we're gonna kill this,
Can bury your health. The market loves the loud and
and we'll kill this.
boring and let it grow. No hero traits, no revenge in my veins. No get it back while I'm leaking change. I can be down and still be on track. That's hard hat living and I don't look back. Elite losers survive. Gamblers blow accounts. Elite losers survive. Keep the damage down. Elite losers survive. Respect that line. Elite losers survive. Long game, long time. I'm accountable, I'm controlled. I can lose small and still hold. Elite losers survive. That's the call. Elite losers survive. Long road. Yeah.
I'll add the second contract. I like that. And we'll keep it there.
I came in hungry, thought I knew the game. First month up big, then I fed the flame. One bad trade, then I chased it back. So my screen turned red and my chest went black. I was swinging mad, trying to force a win. Clicking like my ego lived inside that trend. But the market don't care about my pride, my plan. It'll take your lunch money with a clean right hand. So I wrote it down. Lose small, stay calm. Let the stop do work, let the chaos fall. If it ain't my setup, I don't touch that chart. I ain't here to be brave, I am here to last. I had to learn the hard way, a cut is a cost. The bad night gets loud and the whole week's lost. So I breathe, sit still, let the urge pass through. If I break my rules, I break me too. Elite losers survive. Gamblers blow accounts. Elite losers
Okay, I'm liking the ES is at the highs. We're getting a little pullback now on the NASDAQ. This is the pullback so that buyers load up. Okay, levels still looking good. We just need to break out of this. We're above the EMA, so that's good. It is looking like it wants to break. Okay, so far so good. Okay, ES is looking great. NASDAQ. It's above the 9 EMA. It's above VWAP. On the 15-minute, the 15-minute chart is looking good. The hourly chart is also looking good. Look like it wants to break out. We've broken out. Just need to continue. And the 4-hour chart as well. We have a beautiful bull flag here. So just need to break all-time highs, and it looks like we'll continue to the 50 and 100% of the opening range. All right, look like we just got some pullback here. This might be the pullback, so we could load up some buyers. Or is this the rejection?
Now I take my loss like a pro takes notes. No drama in the moment, just a line ain't close. I don't double up to protect my name. I don't fight the tape just to feel no shame. If the entry's trash,
all right, let's see what happens here. Is it gonna hold here? Is it gonna reject? That's the question. It needs to hold these 380s. If it doesn't hold the 380s, then that's it. Okay, look like it's rejecting now. Yeah, it's rejecting. Okay. And stopped out. Okay, and we're rejecting now.
I need another year, another winter, same routine, same calm when it gets
okay, getting the rejection now. It couldn't hold.
Take the lesson, take the walk. Long money likes the patient hand, short money loves the talk. Elite losers survive, gamblers blow accounts. Elite losers survive, when the pressure comes down. Small red days, that's the rent I pay.
I don't know. Now we might get that pullback that we've been waiting for. Looking a little heavy now. Now we're back at VWAP. And rejecting, get more pullback. This might be the pullback that we were waiting on.
Sun up, screen glow. I'm patient at the desk, no rush, no guess. I let the data do the rest. Pre-market talk loud, but I don't chase that noise. I seen that bait before. It loves the toy with boys first. Cable small, then the whole tape sleep. I sip that stillness while the spreads move deep. News on the wire, everybody get loud. I keep my hands off it. I don't need a crowd. Hard hat on. I'm built for the weight. If the setup ain't there, I don't force my fate. Slope day, flat day, that's part of the game. I'd rather miss a move than get caught in the flame. 12:30, 1 o'clock, still no clear sign. I'm watching the levels, I'm respecting the line. Let it breathe, let it prove. If it wants to run, then I'll move. 2 p.m. Now the market go wild.
Alright, let's see if this can hold up. Or if it's gonna reject.
Sharp spike up, then the whole thing flip. Quick little wick, then it's
alright, it rejected. Looking heavy.
Top tick with a hopeful mind, and it rips through air, then it snaps back mean. A clean fake out wrapped in a headline scene. I'm not impressed by the first big move. I want the next leg.
Okay, getting some
structure after chaos. That's where I live. Let the dust come down, then I see what it gives. No revenge trade, no emotional chase. Just a measured entry in the right damn place. Sharp in the middle, then it slows at the
okay, getting some